Namaste. Every month we bring out a video on financial issues and explain them in a simple saral bhasha. This video is not about financial issues. Recently I read a graduation speech जहाँ पे बताया गया क्या लाइफ में नहीं करना है, क्योंकि अगर आप वो करेंगे तो मिजरी यानी कष्ट मिलेगा लाइफ में. आई वॉज फ्लॉड बाय दिस वीडियो. कौन बनाता है कि क्या लाइफ में नहीं करना है? Well, in an attempt to learn better, I've used the Feynman technique. Now, I am trying to explain you that graduation speech. Also, this video is an homage to the most rational person there is, Charlie Munger. About Charlie. Charlie got divorced at the age of 30. He lost his 9-year-old son to cancer at the age of 32. He was broke, alone, heartbroken, and he lost his home. He had a कबाड़ी जैसा कार. लाइफ में जितने प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकते हैं समझ लीजिए मोटा मोटी सभी आ गए. बट Charlie didn't give up. He turned around his life. At the age of 32, he got remarried. 35, he met his long-time business partner. 38, he was financially independent. He's now 98 years old. He's the vice chairman for Berkshire Hathaway. He's the long-time business partner for Warren Buffett, and he's a billionaire. He's considered to be one of the greatest minds of 20th century. This guy trained as a meteorologist and as a lawyer at Harvard School. He uses insights from physics, chemistry, biology, history, economics, etc. and uses these insights to develop a mental system of thinking called mental models. Now he uses that problems to solve problems consistently with unique, rare insights. In fact, the graduation speech and the other speeches and writings he's given decades ago still stand the test of time. Of course, trying to imitate someone like Charlie or a genius, any genius for, if you have to say, it's very difficult. But अगर हम चार्ली की जो थॉट प्रोसेस है उसकी कोर को समझेंगे तो इट विल हेल्प अस इमेंसली. In fact, once it was asked by Charlie, what is the reason for your success? He said, I am rational. Now, the context for the speech. Charlie gave the speech about 35 years ago in June 1986 at his youngest son's graduation. Now, he thought from the perspective of his students, the students over there, they would want ideally a very short speech because the speech is what is keeping them away from the graduation. Then he thought, पिछले 20 सालों में जितनी भी मैंने ग्रेजुएशन स्पीचेस सुनी हैं, which was the speech मैं विश करता कि वो और लॉन्ग रहे और ज़्यादा रहे. So one only speech came to his mind. That speech was by Johnny Carson. Johnny Carson is a Hollywood icon. He used his personal examples to give a speech on what to do if you want misery, yani kasht in life. Charlie loved it. So Charlie gives an expanded version of that speech. Here we go. The recipe for misery in life. So the first rule is, please inject chemicals in your body so that you can alter your mood or perception. Well, हम सब जानते हैं ये chemicals हमारे body में कुछ लोचा करते हैं and you just might end up having a good time. However, Charlie says addiction can happen to anyone. हमें पता भी नहीं चलेगा और कब हमें जकड़ लिया जाएगा इसके चंगुल में. The second rule is envy यानी ईर्ष्या. बहुत जगह लिखा है इसके बारे में. I'll give you the example of शिशुपाल. शिशुपाल भगवान कृष्ण जी के बुआ के बेटे थे. But he was very envious of कृष्णा जी. गलती पे गलती करते चले गए. जहां 101 गलती हुआ निकला सुदर्शन चक्र एंड वबाक. Well, envy is hard. Resisting it is also even hard. स्पेशली इन दिस मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड। हम जा रहे हैं, देखते हैं हमारी नेबर ने नई गाड़ी ली है एंड इट इज़ लाइक स्पैंकिंग न्यू कलर, डिफिकल्ट। इंस्टाग्राम खोलते हैं एंड देखते हैं हमारी फ्रेंड की वेकेशन पिक्स। वाओ, प्लीज़ रिमेंबर एनवी इज़ अ रेसिपी फॉर मिजरी। थर्ड इज रिजेंटमेंट, यानी द्वेष। लाइफ इज ऑलरेडी दैट हार्ड मैन, इफ यू एड रिजेंटमेंट टू इट, इट कैन गेट इवन बेटर। आपको ध्यान हो तो पांडव्स के भाई कौरव्स वर वेरी वेरी रिजेंटफुल ऑफ पांडव्स। क्या हुआ? वी ऑल नो। I'll give you a modern day example. We all saw the movie बाहुबली, राइट? बाहुबली के में उसके भाई थे भल्लाल देव। पूरी जिंदगी he was very very resentful of बाहुबली। Life is a total waste. So, if you want to have misery in life, please be resentful. These were the 3 rules by Johnny Carson, now the genius of Charlie Stepson. The 4th rule is be unreliable. अगर आप में सारे सर्वगुण संपन्न हैं बट आप रिलायबल नहीं हो तो आपका लाइफ में कुछ नहीं हो सकता है। Charlie gives the example of his dyslexic friend who had severe learning disorder but he was extremely reliable. He achieved great success because of reliability. अगर जब चार्ली से पूछा गया which is the most famous and most reliable company of all the world, he gave the example of McDonald's. Not because वो reliably burgers मिलता है, but because McDonald's millions of लोगों को first jobs देता है and बताता है कि भाई you have to come up for work, be responsible and reliable. That's very important. So, if you want misery in life, please be unreliable. 5th, do not learn from the experiences of others. आग लगी है भाई, आप हाथ घुसा के चेक करो आग चोट लगती है कि नहीं। We all need to learn from the experience of others. आप देखेंगे there is this story of Apple. You would not believe Apple's first consumer electronic success was iPod. Were they the first MP3 player on the market? No. There was Sony, there was Samsung. वो लोग क्या किए? सोनी एंड सैमसंग के एक्सपीरियंस देखे, उससे लर्न करके iPod निकाले। You would not believe this, but this guy, he was a middling guy in school. He didn't know proper geometry, but he mastered the work of his predecessors and eventually his own work became famous. He said, all I've achieved in life, I'm paraphrasing it, all I've achieved in life is because I've seen further than others, because I've stood on the shoulder of giants. This guy was Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton says, I have seen further because I stood on the shoulder of giants. He learned the work of his predecessors. In fact, I'm over here trying to learn the work of a 98-year-old person who gave a speech 35 years ago. That's what it is. But अगर मिजरी चाहिए लाइफ में, प्लीज डोंट लर्न दी एक्सपीरियंस, डोंट एक्सपीरियंस अदर्स के एक्सपीरियंसेस को आप मत फोकस करिए। 6th, whenever you face a battle in life, आप हार जाते हो, आप क्या करोगे? एक बार हुआ, 2 बार हुआ, तीसरी बार हुआ, हार मान जाओ यार। That's very important if you want misery. There is this story of King Robert. I'm sure we've heard of the Robert and Spider. Now King Robert of Scotland, he was fighting the English. 6 battles हो गए. He lost all 6 battles. ही टुक रेफ्यूज इन अ केव। वहाँ पे वो स्पाइडर को देखते हैं, वो स्पाइडर चढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है रूफ पे। 6 बार हुआ, द स्पाइडर फेल डाउन अगेन, बट द स्पाइडर गेव अप? नो, ही क्लाइम्ड अगेन। 7वीं बार ही रीच्ड द रूफ। This increased the spirits of King Robert. He regrouped himself and he came back fighting. The English were defeated. Let me come back to India. हमारे यहाँ पे एक बंदे थे, दिस गाय, ही वॉज अबाउट टू बी किंग। उन्हें भेज दिया गया 14 साल के लिए वनवास। फॉरेस्ट में जाते हैं, हिज वाइफ इज किडनैप्ड बाय द अनदर किंग। ही ट्राइज टू सर्च, कहाँ खोजते खोजते जाते हैं। मालूम पड़ता है जहाँ पे अगवा किया गया है और जहाँ पे हम हैं उसके बीच में सी है। वी ऑल नो हाउ इट टर्न्ड आउट, राइट? वी सेलिब्रेट दिवाली बिकॉज किंग राम भगवान आते हैं विजय होके। डिड ही गिव अप? नो। बट इफ यू वांट मिजरी इन लाइफ, यू नीड टू गिव अप। जब भी आपको पहला, दूसरा या तीसरा कभी भी आपको लाइफ में तकलीफ आए, प्लीज डू गिव अप। The seventh and the last rule for getting misery in life is to ignore this golden rule. So what is this golden rule? Invert, always invert. So Charlie talks about a man called Charles Darwin. You know Charles Darwin, right? So this guy was a middling man in school and college. What did he do? Why did he become so famous? And why are we talking about him over here right now? We all know why he is famous for. But हम लोग इसके लिए इसमें बारे में बात कर रहे हैं because he would always look for evidence which was against his theories. Yes, he would look for criticism of his theories. हम लोग क्या करते हैं? हम लोग जो बोल दिया, ऑपोजिशन में कुछ आता है तो अपने आप को डिफेंड करते हैं। बट Charlie says that if we invert, if we look for opposition, then it is going to be easy for us because it's not enough to look at a problem in one way. We have to look at it in reverse also. Let's say example, like his famous proverb, if I know where I'm going to die, I will never go there. So Charlie says that if we use this golden rule of inversion, then it is going to be easy for tortoise to win a race against rabbits. So let me sum up these 7 recipes for misery. Well, inject chemicals in your body. Second, yes, envy, ईर्ष्या. Third, resentment, यानी द्वेष. Fourth, be unreliable, please. Fifth, don't learn from the experience of others. Sixth, जब भी you go down in a life, you face a reverse, stay down. Seventh, ignore the golden rule of inversion. So now that we have you over here, you've understood and learned these 7 rules. ये आप पे निर्भर करता है. Do you want misery or you want to avoid misery? Thanks.